Spray paint a big plastic lid of a cake box. Attach a big Hubba Bubba label on top. Make 2 identical details. Add a few drops of food coloring into white sugar paste. Roll out the colored sugar paste and cut it to be of the same size as a cardboard tube. Wind the sugar paste around the tube. Turn over the lid. Insert a strip of thick paper along the perimeter. Put in a cardboard bottom. Make a cut in the border. Put the second lid on top and make the same cut in it. Place the sugar paste roll in the lid and insert the end of the paste strip into the slit. Tape the lids. What is that under the flower? There's a huge bubble gum. It's enormous! How has it gotten here? The flower just got bored and wanted to have fun. A giant Hubba Bubba is exactly what we need. We can definitely treat all of our friends to it. We've brought the flower home. Let's try out all of our favorite sweets. For example, Tic Tacs. Let's see what happens to it if we throw it into our magic flower. Shake it a bit. Sizecus Magiculus! And our Tic Tac has become smaller right before our eyes. Make a box template. Mark out a small piece of paper. Make cuts along the lines and cut off the corners. Cut out clear plastic following the paper template. Fold it along the lines and fasten the box using double-sided tape. Make a lid out of white paper. Attach a small Tic Tac label. Add a drop of peppermint extract to white sugar paste and make small mints. Put the mini mints into the box. This baby Tic Tac is very cute. It tastes sweet and minty, except that the mints are way too small. Enough of playing. The blue-eyed girl prefers regular-sized Tic Tacs. Come on, Flower, give us the normal Tic Tacs back. Done! Though Redhead likes the small and compact mints more. Let's see what else our magic flower is capable of. But all of a sudden, sweet confetti comes out of it, and a huge cake pop appears on the table. We will need 8 sponge cakes. Crumple them and divide them into 2 parts. Add chocolate spread to 1 part. Put in a balloon stick and compact the mixture with a spoon. Add condensed milk to the other half of the crumbled sponge cakes. Put this mass over the first one. Take the entire sponge out of the container and shape a ball. Cover it with plastic wrap and put it into a fridge for an hour. Decorate the huge cake pop with large sprinkles. Attach small sprinkles using condensed milk. This cake pop is very heavy. It's not so easy to deal with it, but the blue-eyed girl has an idea. She brings cutlery while I'm trying to cope with this huge sweet ball. Divide and rule. We are going to eat this delicious cake pop using knives and forks. The blue-eyed girl is looking forward to getting a sweet muffin. She's just going to add whipped cream and strawberries. Mmm, tasty! But her dreams won't come true. Redhead, what have you done? Your magic is very inappropriate this time. Make a cylinder out of a sponge cake using a cap. Put some cream dessert on top. Cut a small triangle out of a strawberry and put it on top of the mini muffin. A thimble-sized muffin appears on the plate instead of a big one, but Redhead wanted to make it better. She hoped that the muffin would increase to be enough for 2. Well, goodbye, my sweet muffin. This one will be only enough for a mouse. Did you like our sweet magic? Then write in your comments which sweet size you would like to change. A big or a small Twix, a giant cake pop or a tiny muffin, mini Tic Tacs or a huge bubble gum. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new sweet ideas on the Troom Troom channel.